AI-powered tools often require data to function efficiently, whether it's personal preferences, browsing habits, or even voice recordings. AI systems are constantly collecting and analyzing user data. But does that mean you have to sacrifice your privacy just to take advantage of these powerful tools? Absolutely not. There are ways to use AI while keeping your personal information safe. In this video, we'll explore how AI collects data, the risks of sharing too much, and most importantly, how to use AI while protecting your privacy. You'll learn about privacy-focused AI tools, best security practices, and how to navigate the AI-driven world without exposing your sensitive information. Understanding how AI collects data. Most AI applications rely on data to improve their performance. They learn from user input, analyze behavior patterns, and personalize experiences based on the data they receive. This is why AI assistants like Siri or Google Assistant become more efficient the longer you use them. But how exactly does AI gather data? User input. Many AI tools, including chatbots and search engines, require direct input from users. This could be text, voice commands, or uploaded files. Tracking and analytics. Websites and apps use cookies and tracking scripts to monitor user activity, which helps AI-driven systems provide personalized experiences. Cloud storage. Some AI services store user-generated data on cloud servers, which are then used for model training or refinement. Third-party integrations. Many AI-powered applications share data with external companies to enhance functionality, leading to potential privacy concerns. Understanding these methods is the first step in figuring out how to minimize the data you share while still benefiting from AI. Why AI privacy matters. Sharing too much data with AI systems can have serious consequences. While most companies claim to protect user data, breaches and leaks are still a significant concern. Some major risks include identity theft. If AI tools store personal details such as your full name, email, or location, this information can be exposed in data breaches. Data misuse. Companies may use your data for targeted advertising, surveillance, or even selling it to third parties without your consent. Unwanted personalization. While AI-driven recommendations can be useful, they also mean that companies have an extensive profile of your preferences, which can feel invasive. Government surveillance. In some countries, AI-driven services have been used to track and monitor citizens, raising concerns about privacy and freedom. Protecting your data ensures that you remain in control of your digital identity, preventing unauthorized access and exploitation. How to use AI without sharing personal data. Now that we understand how AI collects data and why privacy matters, let's explore ways to use AI while maintaining control over your personal information. 1. Use privacy-focused AI tools. Not all AI tools require extensive data collection. Some companies prioritize user privacy and offer AI-powered services that function without harvesting excessive personal information. Brave Search and DuckDuckGo. These search engines use AI to generate results without tracking your activity. Self-hosted AI assistants. Open-source alternatives like Mycroft AI let you use voice assistants without sending data to external servers. Offline AI tools. Many AI-powered applications, such as image and text generators, offer offline versions that run locally on your device. Choosing privacy-first AI tools ensures that your data stays in your hands rather than on corporate servers. 2. Avoid AI that requires personal account logins. Many AI services require users to sign in with a Google or social media account. This often means data collection begins the moment you log in. Use AI tools that allow guest access or anonymous use. If a tool requires login, create a separate email specifically for AI-related activities. Avoid linking AI tools to your main email, phone number, or social media accounts. By keeping your AI interactions separate from your personal accounts, you reduce the risk of your data being linked to your real identity. 3. Turn off data collection and cloud syncing. Many AI-powered apps and services allow users to disable data collection in their settings. Some key steps include disabling voice recording storage in virtual assistants like Google Assistant and Alexa, turning off search history tracking in AI-driven search engines, disabling cloud syncing in AI tools that store data remotely. Checking the privacy settings of any AI tool you use is crucial in ensuring that your data isn't stored or shared unnecessarily. 4. Use VPNs and privacy browsers. AI-powered services often track IP addresses and browsing behavior. Using privacy-focused tools can help mask your digital footprint. VPNs, virtual private networks, encrypt your internet connection to prevent tracking and data collection. Privacy browsers. Use browsers like Brave, Tor, or Firefox with enhanced privacy settings to block AI-driven trackers. This prevents AI tools from collecting location-based data or tracking your browsing history. Final thoughts. AI is transforming the way we interact with technology, offering incredible benefits in efficiency, creativity, and automation. But just because AI is powerful doesn't mean you have to give up control of your personal data. So go ahead, explore AI, experiment with its possibilities, and enjoy the benefits it brings. Just remember to protect your data every step of the way.